everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, looking at some very nice cars and trucks. And I got to tell you, I knew it was going to be a good video when I walked right through the door into the yard here, because there are lots of cars I have not seen before, things you're going to love, including something right there I cannot even believe is here in Tulsa. I really can't believe that this is even here. Yeah, you know what this is, right? This is not a replica. This is a 1965, Ford Cobra? What? Yes, here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Is this the real deal? That's what it says on the sticker. Look at that, powered by Ford, and obviously there is some kind of a burning problem, and that's why this car is here. And I've never seen one with the hardtop. Look at that. How bizarre is that? Okay, this, I don't know. I wish I knew more about these, but I know enough to say that this is really, really cool. This is very, very cool. We can open the trunk. Look at that. Little bitty spare. It smells kind of burny in there. You got your cover for your top right there. This kind of closes right here. I guess this is your license plate that goes up. Okay. I gotta say, I love the color. I really, 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 really love the cover. Look at the gas cap. There it is. Kaboom. Ha! What does it smell like? Oh, it doesn't smell bad. Okay, that's a good sign. There you go. Look at that. All put together. I love the wheels. You got BF Goodrich tires on them with a little bit of tread. They're just really, really dirty. I wish I could get inside. I gotta say, I am so tempted to get in here and show you guys, but I can't. Okay, here we are. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there was a bit of a burn. Look at this. Stay open, stay there, just stay. Stay right there. Okay. Oh, what do you think happened here? Well, it looks like that's the problem. Maybe the distributor, maybe your coil overheated, maybe some fuel just kind of spilled out and got on the plugs. Holy moly. But I don't think the engine is I mean, you got to redo the wires, but this is an old car, and the wire, there's very few wires. I could do that. I could rebuild that. Get some new hoses, maybe a new radiator, maybe a new fan. Wow. Okay. This is very, very cool. And I gotta say, I do like this. How nice is that? Okay. I'm just kind of looking around to see what else could be salvaged or what else needs work. Okay. Let's close this very carefully. Okay. You'll need a paint job, of course. But this is, yeah, lost type is burn. Here's your VIN number. Ah! Wow. Okay. What do you think about the 65 Ford Cobra? Look under here. Oh, yes. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Those are metal. Side pipes that are going to burn your legs when you step on them. Wow. What is this? Is this just... No. I wish... Can you see in there? Let's go through here. Can you see through here? There you go. A couple of gauges. I like the steering wheel. Look at the shifter. Yes. Well, what a great way to start a video. What is this thing worth? Let me know what you think this is worth in its current condition. Okay, it's burned. It's a salvage title. But it is amazing. And then let me know what you think it's worth all put back together, so we can just kind of see the difference. This. Oh, it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a great day. And right next door to Carol Shelby's Cobra, we have the Pontiac Sunbird LE in red with a white top from 1990. I remember these from back in the day. I do remember these. And they always had these cheap wheel covers. Always. Very inexpensive car. This one, look at the top. This looks really nice. Okay, there's a couple of issues with the trim piece right there. Your third brake light is way off in color. But have you seen one of these in this nice of a condition? This is a hail loss, believe it or not. And I say hail no. I mean, I see some, there is some dimpling. There's a little bit right over there. There is some, because it's red, you got to get it right, just the right angle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 15 little dimples here. They've washed this car. Whoever had this car took really, really, really good care of it. Look at that. Even the tires have tread on them. And this is a Starfire Solaris. What is this one? Starfire Solaris. So we have some matching tires. We got the white pinstriping. Boy, this would be a good car for the Sooner fan. Inside looks new. This thing looks wow. This is in amazing condition. It really is. Okay, well, let's see if there's any power. It's like going back in time. What was I doing in 1990? Where was I living? Look at this. Ah! Nice looking instrument cluster. Power 104,000 miles. And we have power. Here we go. And she runs like a 1990 Pontiac. No, she's fine. Look at this right here. We have air conditioning. Look at your wipers. Look at this. This was high-tech stuff back in the day. They're a little bit loose. A little loosey-goosey right now. Ooh, you have your double handle emergency brake right there, which is cool. You are missing that piece. What goes right there? And the radio. I guess they put it in an aftermarket radio. This is all cut right there because this doesn't work. So yeah, they kind of jabberwockied this thing. Yeah, even the antenna is out right there. But the engine sounds good. Here we go. She's a little shaky. Other than that, she runs really, really good. So you may need an engine mount. Looks like the valve cover gasket has been replaced. 2-liter overhead cam, 4-cylinder. Engine coolant looks good. Windshield washer fluid looks good. This thing has been maintained. This has really been maintained. I am really surprised. Even the hood pad looks nice on this one. We'll drop it. That hood weighs a freaking ton. So whoever had this car absolutely loved it. Really, really loved it. Not really expensive tires, but that's okay. This is nice. Oh gosh, I'm still trying to think what I was doing back in 1990. Oh my goodness, yes. We're gonna enjoy some air conditioning. That is cold. And then we'll show you another car, but let me know what you think about this Sunfire. Woo! I think she's gorgeous. 104,493 miles for a 33-year-old car. Amazing. Check this out. 2012 Nissan 370Z. This car was well taken care of. Look at the tint. Yeah, look at the tint. Look at the bulges here over the wheels. I like this. I like this with the dark tint, and this kind of incorporates everything. Okay, well, this is a lost type unknown. You'll need to get your headlight cleaned. That one's magnificent. This one is a little bit dirty, but look at that stance right there. Yeah, I've been thinking about trying to get into some of the Japanese imports just to kind of mix it up on the channel a little bit. I love this pearl white color. I really, really do. And look how this is even well taken care of. Yokohama YK740s. Looks like on all of the tires. Nope, nope, nope. What is this one? Oh, Falcon. Ah! Okay, maybe the tires don't match. Let's just see very, very quickly. Pro G5 Touring. Nope, we got all different kinds of tires, and this is Yokohama. So Yoka something something. That's all right. That's okay. Let's see what she's like on the inside. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. It is an automatic. It does have some mysterious substance on one of the little switches for where a switch could be. I like these. I like the dials here. I like this little computer right there. Let's check your cubby hole. There it is. Nothing hiding. There's your glove box. Nothing right there. Okay, here's your owner's manual and everything right there. Woo! I bet this was a cool car back in the day. Back in 2012? Heck yeah, this was nice. Absolutely. All right, there's the engine, the V6 VVEL with something green. Why do we have a, what is this? X-Lite. Techstone X-Lite. A little, it's like a piece of a balloon or something was in there. That's interesting. Got some writing on here. As far as the oil goes, there is some, which is good to see. Proper level. You've got your brake fluid over here, which looks to be in good condition. The engine could use a little spray down. Just a little cleaning, but otherwise it looks pretty honest, as they say. Yeah, this is cool. This is a cool little car. You want to see if she'll start? And we got nothing. Ooh, this is a nice little thing. Come on, baby, what's the problem? Well, sugar. Wait, here we go. Okay, let's just see if anything's gonna happen here. Can we even reach? Here we go. This is it. Is there enough room? No. You don't even want to sit in there. No, she's not. There's something else wrong with this car. All right. Well, unfortunately, now you're going to stay. Nothing. Now we're talking, folks. This is it. We found the key. We found where the key goes. This is just not long enough to allow the key to stay in there. Here it is. Here we go. Let's give it a push. Oh. Well, that didn't sound interesting. No, she doesn't want to start. What's the deal here? We have a quarter tank of gas. And she's got a funky smell inside here. No, there's something. Something's amuck. Unless this is wrong, okay? Unless that's wrong and she's just out of gas. But I smell gas. Wow. Okay, so I don't know about this car. I know I love the Shelby. Woo! That is nice. The Sunfire, what a flashback to the 90s. Let me know what you think about these cars, folks, and give me a value on that Shelby. Yeah. What was it, 65, I believe? Yeah. Very nice. I think it's worth something too. So thank you for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. If you are new to the channel, thank you very much for subscribing. You're probably here because of the Barbie SUV or that old Wonder Wagon, the 1995 Mercedes E320 SW124, W124, however you want to call it. We are continuing to work on that car. I've made a decision on the wheels. We may actually get every window tinted a little bit, and I have some parts that have arrived for it that are hopefully going to fix everything. All right, so stay tuned for that. And with that, we'll say ta-ta. See you later. Bye-bye.